How to export a list of running and stopped services in Windows 11. Windows services run silently, but visibility into them is critical for managing system integrity and troubleshooting issues. We'll show you how to easily export a list of running and stopped services in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The value of service visibility in Windows 11. Windows services are the silent workhorses of your operating system. They're background processes essential for core system functions and third-party apps to run smoothly. But if they fail or get misconfigured, your entire system can suffer. That's why visibility is critical. Exporting the service status list is essential for system auditing, allowing you to confirm compliance in security settings against known baselines. It's a key step in troubleshooting application failures by helping you pinpoint missing or malfunctioning services. Plus, the list serves as important documentation for tracking unauthorized changes, conducting performance analysis, and creating effective disaster recovery plans. Method 1. Exporting services using command prompt. The first method uses command prompt, best for individual users or environments with restricted scripting. This is quick and simple, extracting status information into a .txt file. Open command prompt and use the sc query command. To get a list of all services, use. To filter only running or stopped services, adjust the state parameter or use the find stir pipe command. Review the resulting text file saved to your desktop. Method 2. Exporting services using PowerShell. PowerShell is a powerful and flexible approach, ideal for enterprise environments where structured output and automation are required. PowerShell exports to the more flexible .csv file format. Start by opening PowerShell and using the get-service cmldt. To export a list of all services to a CSV file, use. Just like with CMD, you can easily filter this list using where object to view only services where the status equals running or stopped. Best practices, risks, and troubleshooting. While exporting is simple, it's essential to follow best practices. Securely store your exported files, as they contain sensitive configuration data. Always regularly update and review these lists against baselines, as software updates frequently change service statuses. For common issues, remember that access denied errors usually require running the tool as an administrator. If your list is incomplete, verify your command syntax and check your user permissions. Finally, use PowerShell scripting to automate these exports across multiple systems for improved efficiency and consistency. You now have a foundational skill for advanced Windows administration. Practice these commands today, whether in command prompt or PowerShell, to make exporting a list of running and stopped services a quick, routine part of your workflow. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to export a list of running and stopped services in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.